Hablon, buot hamalon ihabol. Proseso nga mauni kapag habol kanalisari kaduang kaptela. Sarang kultura ang pagkal kang igparas. Ilabinigit ang atong kaupod sa Barangay Santa Barbara. Ginpili kang linaay ang herde. Ang duang kalagalang sektar, kang pag-apresyar, kang pagdumaraw luwag ng kultura sa kalyon, kang duang mabulawan, nagabuod ng kadalakan, kang kultura ng igbaras. Maghabi-habi na, kaupod kita. Hablon Weaving!
Rachel Joyous Maya representing Poblacion 5, your question is, ano nga mga tikang ang kinahanglan kaimulon. Iwan? Ano nga mga tikang ang kinahanglan himuon para madula ukon mapahagan-hagan ang kaimulon?
Isa lang katikang ang kinahanglan natin para makahalin sa kaimulon. Amo ang pag-invest sa edukasyon. Kaya ang edukasyon, amo ra ang atin, di dyan kita mabagal ang ating future. Kung hindi kita may eskwela mayat, wala kita pagtunan sa hulingi. Amo ra, we have the hashtag focus para mag-focus ka mo sa inyong pangabuhi, mag-focus sa edukasyon, mag-focus sa talan nga bagay para mag-unlad ang imo kabuhi. Amo lang ra, salamat.
In local tourism design costume goes to candidate number. Who do you think? Who's your bet, audience? Our best in local tourism design costume goes to candidate number. Candidate number 5, Miss Rachel.
Congratulations. Next. One spot left. And this belongs to candidate number. Candidate number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, are we not coming for our 2022 top 5?
Last finalist, candidate number 5.
Sweet joy.
And congratulations, candidate number 5 for making it to the top 5. Anong nabatyagan mo na nadaray ka sa top 5?
I was cold last and it was nerve-wracking.
Wow, it was really nerve-wracking. Especially ikaw, di mo ng palawagan.
Alright. So Rachel, your question is, in what stage of your life right now makes you feel the best? Again, in what stage of your life right now makes you feel the best?
I am here in front of you right now. And this time, this is the best me. I am a woman who was discriminated because of my skin color. In knowing my weaknesses and strength, this helps me to hone my self-confidence. In that way, this makes me the best. And in this stage right now, this time, I am the best, and this is the best me. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. This Miss Natsadan 2019 to be assisted by our judge, Mr. Freddy Madaman.
Our Miss Natsadan 2022 is candidate number. She is candidate number
5, Miss Rachel.
Our Miss Natsadan 2022 will receive a sash, trophy, bouquet, and a cash prize. Alright. We still have 2 ladies left. Who do you think is going to be this year's Linay Kapitbaras? for Miss
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn, can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mysteries. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny, your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn, can you stay and I will grow?